today, now we are beginning the announcement of the first ever Saurya Urja Puraskar 2014. Please give a big hand. These are India's awards for the solar sector in particular. See, we have our Energia Awards, they are into the 8th year. 27th of November, we have the Energia Awards in Delhi. But we all thought that it was a very big justice to be done to the specific industries. We did the Hydro Awards on 26th September called the India Hydro Awards. And India Solar Awards specifically follows to do justice to this very specific industry. And today, we are very thankful to have the best. And we begin, and the first is the Saurya Urja Ratna Award today, and it goes to none other than Shri Tarun Kapoor, Joint Secretary Solar, MNRE, for steering the National Solar Mission. Please give him a big hand. May we have the trophy, please. And I would request Ravi Kumar ji, KB Dubey and Khanna Saab to please give this trophy to them. And also Arora Saab, please. We will like Kapoor Saab to also say a few words. Can we have the mic, please?
I am grateful to Inertia and particularly to Professor Iyer for giving this award. I don't think I deserve it because I'm just happen to be in the ministry as the Joint Secretary looking after this. So probably I head the solar mission. In any case, whatever is happening with efforts from all the stakeholders. The power projects get set up by the developers, and that's where the real fight is. That's where the real efforts are put in, because they are the ones who have to get the land, get all clearances, and really face the brunt and get those projects running, and then after that operate them also. The government's role is to create an atmosphere so that people can come forward, and that's a very small role compared to the people who actually go and implement this. And then state governments have a very major role. Then all the engineers who are connected with this technology, the manufacturers. I think there are so many stakeholders who come together, and that's the way we are able to achieve something. This phase of solar mission, phase 1, has been just a preparatory phase. Now is the time when we have to scale up, and the big fight is starting now. And I think we need all the companies, all individuals connected with this sector to put their best, to really come forward and take this as a challenge. Then I think, I'm quite sure that India will be able to earn a big name in this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks again, sir, for all the work that you have done to bring India on the map of solar. Thank you again, sir. Now we will first give the state awards, because that matters, you know. The first winner of Shresth Rashtriya Saurya Urja Rajya Puraskar is the state of Gujarat, which has achieved close to 1 gigawatt. And may I have Shri Rajendra Mistry, who is from GPCL. Please come over, Mistry sir. Please give him a big hand. He was responsible for the Gujarat Solar Park, the largest park in Asia, 214 megawatt. I think they set the tone for the country.
We are the executor. We are not the proper speaker or orator. Lot of things has been done in the Gujarat, and at present general feeling is that the Gujarat is now slow on the solar. It is not like that. It is the pausing time and review what happened in our progress. All the things, benefits, and what are the other problems that we have to remove it. We are constantly helping to the government, central government, by advising and providing the real experience on the solar park, as well as the rooftop program also. While there is a much talk about the solar park and Gujarat Solar Park, but very few have noticed that we have successfully commissioned the 5 megawatt Gandhinagar rooftop solar project. and that has a very stubborn system we have developed there, and it has catch the eye of all of the state to replicate it also. And we thankful to the other state and central government. They have provided a lot of support in terms of the setting of these projects. But as Tarun sir has rightly told, there are so many stakeholders. Then first and foremost is the customer of the customer and customer of this electricity. And our customer is varying from the very basic necessity requirement people and to the high necessity requirement people. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, Mistry ji. The next award, you know, because we could do only justice if we see the balance. And balance is, there are not just one performer, there was another performer, of course. And that is the state of Rajasthan, which is also declared as the winner in the state category for the Shresth Rashtriya Saurya Urja Puraskar. Please may I welcome Suvit Mathur, who is the GM RRECL Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation. Please receive the award from Tarun Kapoor and Shri Hirdesh Khanna and Shri K. Ravi Kumar. Please give a big hand to Rajasthan, a state that can power India in a big way in solar. Rajasthan, please. On how Rajasthan achieved this 750 megawatt already, you know.
Thank you very much. Inertia, RIPA, SEFI, and all the other organizers of this program. And really, actually, I should say that RRECL, being as a state nodal agency for the Rajasthan state, is a silent worker. And we are working since long back. And almost, I think, more than 150,000 home lighting systems we have installed so far. Apart from that, against the total installed capacity of the power plants in Rajasthan state, that is approximately 14,000. Renewable percentage is more than 25%. That is approximately 3,600 megawatt, including solar, wind, and biomass. So it is a very good, I think, achievement as well. And we are trying to continuously compete with the conventional power, and we should try to give that level which we were expecting since long back. And as soon as, I think in terms of energy also, we are competing with the 8 to 9% in terms of energy generation also. Because as you know that PLF of these renewable projects are not compatible with that, or it is almost in Rajasthan 18 to 20% only. So that is why we are lagging behind it. But we are still trying to fight with all these issues and all the present circumstances. But hope for the best, and we will try our level best for future also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajasthan. I think we are very proud of the two states of Gujarat and Rajasthan who have shown the way in the first segment of the National Solar Mission expansion. Our Saurya Urja Vibhushan Awards, the award for individual excellence, people who have worked for a decade or so and minimum for the solar sector, and when it was not moving, they have stood with it, you know. For first one is Sri K.S. Popli. K.S. Popli ji wins the Saurya Urja Vibhushan Award, and that is for his excellent work at IREDA and for leading renewable energy in the country. May I request again Tarun Kapoor ji and team, including Sri Ravi Kumar ji, please felicitate them. I think I want more energy in these claps, sir. Every winner is a winner here, big winner. A few words, Popli Sahab. Popli Sahab, a few words.
Thank you, Professor Iyer. Thanks to Inertia. Well, when the mission started, JNNS mission, IREDA was lagging behind. I know there were a lot of expectations from us, and we had not funded the way we should have. And I am sure now in the second phase we'll make it up. We are trying our best. We are tied up a lot of finances, and I am sure we will not disappoint the stakeholders who come for financing. That is all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you again, sir. We need people like you continuously, and I hope that what we have done, and we'll expand it multiple times, as Kapoor Saab also said today. Our next Saurya Urja Vibhushan is none other than Shri S.K. Shukla, CEO Canada. Please give him a big hand. All the way from Chhattisgarh, a state which will also be on the solar map in a bigger way, known for its thermal capacity and also a power surplus state of India. Please give a big hand. I request Shukla Saab also to tell us. He has said a lot of things, but I think we will always love to hear him again.
Thank you, Professor Iyer. So I'm grateful to Inertia, grateful to the jury who selected me. It's not exactly me who is getting this award, but I'm getting this award on behalf of my team, engineers, bureaucrats of my state who supported me to execute this renewable energy program, though it is power surplus state. But still I'm doing that. And I would like to thank MNRE also. Without support of them, we cannot implement any program. And here I would like to share one more thing with you, that whatever we have done, for that we are getting the maximum financial support and the moral support also from Mr. Tarun Kapoor and the whole team of MNRE. So thanks to all, because of whom I could get this. Thanks to God who has given me the opportunity to do the job as the social work, means social work with environment friendly things. So thanks to the God also.
One more thing I want to say, both Tarun Kapoor ji and also Shukla ji are also winners of the prestigious Inertia Award for the best bureaucrats in the country for affecting transformation in the sectors. Please also remember that, and they are already, I would say, proven gems of this nation. Thanks again, sir, for being here. Now our next Saurya Urja Vibhushan is Shri T.C. Arora, whose work has gone forward and whose belief has gone forward in expanding mission, because he was one of the first private sector initiators of this whole thing. Please, Arora Saab, may I request Tarun Kapoor ji to specially give him, along with Ravi Kumar ji, the chairman of our jury at Inertia also. Please give a big hand. Arora Saab has spent his life, his belief that solar will succeed has come true today. Arora Saab, a few words.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Inertia. It's good to receive awards from the people who we believed in, and they're standing. I'm having a opportunity to stand in front of them. Yes, in 2009, there were hiccups, but we had a belief that it will pick up. And 2009, 2014, we had a lot of interaction with ministries, with the regulators, with the manufacturers. And today, we see that the efforts made by the government, by the individual stakeholders, and maybe I don't want to praise myself, but of course we took also some initiatives, and it has paid off. And it's very happy to note that things today, what has been said by Mr. Popely, that 1 lakh megawatt, it's a great thing to hear. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Our next award is award for the CEOs, and that is for the Best Solar Emerging Enterprise Entrepreneur of the Year Award. This goes to Shri Vineet Jain, Chairman and Managing Director of Green Brilliance. Please give him a big hand. Green Brilliance operates 50 megawatt most comprehensive manufacturing lines in Baroda for solar modules. Please give him a big hand once again. Jain's up. Few words.
Thank you, Professor Saab, and thank you, Inertia, for having us here for these awards. It is always a great pleasure to be here, and recognition like this keeps us working hard on the path of developing solar further and bringing renewable to every home. We are very happy to be part of that chain, a small link in that chain that will make India a superpower in solar very soon. You know, all the stalwarts are here on the stage with me, MNRE, IREDA, PHEL, and VVN. These are the people who are making all the difference in this country. And India will surely be a superpower. I am very convinced about it. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijayan sir. Our next award for Saurya Urja CEO of the Year is Shri Anil B. Jain, Managing Director, Jain Irrigation System, and we have Charitri V. Jain, VP Solar, to receive this award on behalf of him. Please give them a big hand. Energy must not end, sir. It must be perpetual. And we are talking of Saurya Urja, unlimited. The audience must continue to give more energy to this place. May I request Charitri Jain Saab to say a few words on behalf of Anil Jain ji.
Professor Saab and the inertia who has selected our company to add a few, to become the link in this particular mission of our country. We are very grateful, and we are also thinking to uplift our rural area, rural India, and I think this is one of the steps towards that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. Next award for the Saurya Urja CEO of the Year is to Shri Sandeep Gupta, Group Managing Director, Jackson Limited, a company that has succeeded to make quickest capacities in NVVN. And may I request Khalid Nadeem, Executive VP Solar, to please come and receive this award on behalf of Mr. Gupta. Please give them a big hand. Nadeem sir, a few words on behalf of the chair. On behalf of the joint MD, please.
Thank you very much, Professor Iyer and Inertia, for giving us this award. And as Tarun sir said, developer role is very difficult. And at this moment, our MD is in some place to sign a land deal
Right.
for the 30 megawatt project which we have got in UP. Jackson, as a group, we are fully integrated. We are a developer with more than 60 megawatt. We are doing EPC also for third party. And we manufacture the entire value chain, including inverter, substations, or components. So our, traditionally we have been into DG business, but our MD 3 years back decided that solar is the future. DG will be on backside, but solar will take it further. So that's how we are into this business. Thank you very much.
Right, sir. Thanks. Our last in the category of this, we have the Saurya Bhushan, and we have none other than Shri KB Dubey, who is declared Saurya Bhushan for, he is the exclusive contributor to ensure that we have a solar thermal capacity in this country. Please give him a big hand. Very difficult area. The first project has come up of the Hira Group in Rajasthan, and also Reliance. The commissioning is done, sir. I think the Reliance commissioning is done. So thanks, Dubey sir, for moving it at the MNRE as the advisor for the solar thermal. Please give him a big hand once again. Difficult area. दुबे साहब, a few words, कुछ शब्द. सर आपने हाइड्रो पे भी बहुत काम किया था, आप तो रिन्यूएबल्स पे बहुत काम किया आपने एनटीपीसी में भी.
Thank you very much, Professor Saab. Doing solar thermal is a real tough job.
Yes, sir.
It's a real creation, and only extraordinary people can do it. Today we are very happy that 2 solar thermal, 150 megawatt at Rajasthan by Godavari Green, and yesterday MEAL Mega has commissioned in Andhra another 50 megawatt. So 100 megawatt is running today, and 100 megawatt, another 100 megawatt is going to come in next 10 to 15 days time at Pokhran. They are real difficult job, and working with MNRE, I have seen that how much government support means to a developer. Working to, along with the developer, I know, and I advise him also, if you play against a very good player, you tend to improve your game. I know my NVVN wing is a very thorough in their work, very thorough in contract. Sometimes you feel that it is overdoing, but once you are adjusted to them, you enjoy that. Why I say so? Because everybody outside, they ask me, I want to do solar, I want to do solar thermal, but I want to do with NVVN. That shows their faith in NVVN. I must say, I was involved about 2 years before with solar thermal, with Mr. Girish Pradhan and Mr. Tarun Kapoor Sahib, whom we worked in hydro in Himachal. But for his full support, going beyond the boundaries, this new technology of solar thermal would not have come to them. In highlighting their problem and requesting the ministry to provide them support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. And this is none other than, we are having the innovative Saur Urja Financier of the Year. We all talked about finance, and so we must reward this. PFC Green Energy Limited, we have Arunavo Chakravarti, CEO PFC Green. Please come over, sir. Receive this award from Tarun Kapoor ji, Dr. Khanna, and Ravi Kumar ji, please. Please give them a big hand. And PFC is the company I'm looking at to give us, I would say, more investment capability and to move into this particular sector and support it with a lower investment model. A few words, sir. A few words, sir.
Well, thank you, Professor Iyer. Thank you, Inertia. It's been a moment of pride for me to have received this award. You may be aware that this company was born in the year 2011-12, and within 2 years we are picking up business fairly well. There has been pitfalls, of course. I don't need to describe it here. Land cost, this basically viability. Solar is a sector where viability is of paramount importance. Now, the reliability of data we have noticed is not that good. So we have been extra careful, particularly for smaller developers who are developing 1 megawatt, 0.5 megawatt, 2 megawatt projects. The other problem which has not been highlighted here, and I would like to flag that, is the power purchase. See, DISCOMs, it's very reliable, it's state-owned. But wherever there are third-party purchases, in our experience, we have found people are going back on their PPAs. This is an alarming trend. After funding a project, if the offtake is not guaranteed, and that too at a particular level, the viability goes haywire. I'm sure that with passage of time, this will be taken care of. And that's about it. The sector has been growing. We have to, after all, depend on RE. Thermal, fossil fuels, the era of fossil fuels will not be very popular in coming days. Thank you, Inertia, once again.
Thank you, Chakravarti sir. I will request Tarun Kapoor ji for one more award. Sir, this is Sun Edison, because we must encourage this company. It has just signed 5 gigawatt recently. And we have T.S. Shankar. Sun Edison receives the award for world-class innovative solar enterprise in developing and delivering megawatt-scale solar PV in the country. Please welcome and give them a big hand. T.S. Shankar, Director Corpcom, is here for the company. Thank you, and a few words from Shankar on commitment.
I head the Director Corporate Communication, okay? I'm in no way a replacement for Pashupati Gopalan, who is our President Asia Pacific, and I take great pride in representing the company. And I only add, on behalf of Pashupati, that we will single-handedly work with the MNRE and its mission to make all the dreams come true. And recently, we have signed a 5 gigawatt project in Rajasthan. So the dreams are continuing. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. I have the next award for the State Government Nodal Agency Solar Excellence Award for the year. And this goes to none other than CREDA, Chhattisgarh State Renewable Energy Development Agency. And we have Sri S.K. Shukla receiving this award from the eminent people on the dais, including Rajesh Srivastava ji, Ravi Kumar ji, and Sri Hirdesh Khanna. And may I request Hetal also to be there a little bit in the middle, sir. Please give them a big hand. Thank you, Shukla ji. Thank you for this. Thank you for the time that you spent. Please give us a big ovation when he takes leave for the moment, sir. The next award is for India's Best Saurya Urja Award, and this goes to none other than Gujarat Power Corporation Limited, Gujarat Solar Park, 240 megawatt now. May I welcome Mr. Rajendra Mistry to come over and take this award here, please. Rajendra Mistry, so I would request the 240 megawatt Gujarat Solar Park of the Gujarat Power Corporation. May I request Rajendra Mistry to come over and receive this award as well. Although today Gujarat State also won the award, but of course, the flagship of this whole thing is that solar park. Please come over, sir. And this would expand to 500 megawatt, and it remains the largest solar park in Asia. Please give a big hand for that. Can we have a combined opportunity, all of you together, so that they can have a photo link? The next award is the Saurya Urja PSC or Public Sector Enterprise of the Year Award, and foregone conclusion NTPC Limited wins this. And may I request Surinder Raina, GM REDG NTPC Limited, to please receive this award. Mr. K.S. Popli, please specially, and Ravi Kumarji to must give these awards, sir. I think मैं request करूँगा मग्गो साहब भी इधर आएं, and both of you say a few words. We did not hear Maggo साहब. The NTPC people must say a few words today, and they must definitely tell us how they feel and what they want to do next, and how the country can trust always NTPC and NVVN.
Thank you, Professor Ayer, Inertia, Repa, Sefihu, and the jury who has selected NTPC PSC of the year. In fact, 2 years before, we have not added 1 single megawatt of solar PV project, but last 2 years we have been, now 95 megawatts we have already commissioned, and 15 megawatt is under construction. Now we have a plan of immediately 3,333 megawatt to be done in next few years. In this respect, we have signed MOU with the government of Andhra Pradesh, 1,000 megawatt. In that 1,000 megawatt, we have already issued one NIT for 250 megawatt, for which bids are expected to be in this November 2014. We will be shortly finalizing. Rest of the tenders are in the pipeline. We have also signed one letter of understanding with the government of Madhya Pradesh for 750 megawatt, and the discussions are already in progress with government of Orissa, Telangana, government of Uttar Pradesh, government of Rajasthan, to set up a solar projects. We'll be going in a massive way, especially solar PV project. Thank you very much.
Yes, may I receive some views from Maggo Sahab now, because Maggo Sahab has been integrating, and I tell you, without the NVVN work, whatever we are seeing now may not have happened, you know. So I think we must give them another big hand for the great contribution and the great partnership that they have done for the mission, sir.
Thank you, Professor Ayer, and thanks Inertia for giving us this award and also the opportunity to be here with you. It was a great moment in 2009 when this assignment was given to NVVN, and we are thankful to the government for having had the faith in NTPC Vidyut Vibhar Nigam being a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC. NTPC, of course, everybody knows, has always been on the success path and always meeting targets. So being part of the NTPC family as the wholly owned subsidiary, we have tried our best to keep the flag flying high and work for market development. So basically this was more like a market development exercise, and we are happy that the team at NVVN and along with the NTPC, we have been able to create that initial market which was required to scale up the solar in the country. Today we have, with the commissioning of another 50 megawatt solar thermal yesterday, 618 megawatt capacity which has been commissioned, and another 100 megawatt thermal is expected shortly. So maybe in the next month we hope we have 700 plus megawatt. Seeing this and it has basically been a great teamwork, I would like to say, because the ministries of new and renewable energy, Ministry of Power, and our parent company all have worked together The developers have really done a great job. So thank you everyone for supporting this small company, NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam, for creating this market in India for solar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and we look forward to this gigawatt scale development. And the next award is a very special award, the award for innovative solar power project impacting economic transformation for successful implementation and operation of the 1 megawatt final, canal top power station. It is Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited, and we have Mr. A. Sheikh here all the way. Narmada has been also the project we love. Today is a very important day, the day of Sardar Patelji, which is being celebrated. So I think very apt that this project receives for a very special thing on the canal top solar. Please give them a big hand. Very unique project. It not only generates power but saves water, saves a lot of evaporation. And it has transformed, the canal is transforming the grassroots lives of many people in Kutch. The canal network is the largest in the country, 75,000 kilometers. They just received in the hydro also an award. So they continue to receive awards at our end for the work that they are doing. May I request Sheikh Saab to say a few words. ये अपने देश का सबसे असीम प्रोजेक्ट, सबसे अलग प्रोजेक्ट है. Please give them a mic.
I thank on behalf of Government of Gujarat and Sardar Sarovar Nigam, thank for Mr. Professor Saab, Inertia and jury members. So this is an innovative idea. We have as a pilot project, we did it. Still 16 projects are going on similar pages. And we have about 17,000 kilometers of length, canal length. If we utilize 10% of that only, 2,200 megawatt can be generated. So I again dedicate this award to the solar mission. Let us everybody dedicate all these awards to solar mission which can progress. Thank you again.
Thank you, Sheikh Saab. And I think they are expanding by another 10 megawatt, and I pray that they continue to expand, because we had recommended long time back in Maharashtra on the Koyna Dam a kind of I would say a solar roof. So I hope this project, which actually triggers that off on the canal, can take it over all our hydro stations where you don't need land banks, all of them that we can think of canal, not canal, but I would say hydro, solar roof, or right on top of our hydro generating facilities. So this could be the next big scalable idea, and we will send this to Tarun Kapoorji. Already the other Samaritans here, including our Popli Saab. So this is the next target, sir. Then this country can expand beyond imagination. Our next award, the award for India's most integrated company in decentralized solar and total water pumping system. And we have this Jain Irrigation Systems Limited winning this. May I request, I want Swaralipi also to come along with the team, the whole C team to be here of Jain Solar. Please give them a big hand. Charitra Jain Saab, Atul Jain Saab, and all of them together. Please come over, sir. And we have Sanjeev Fadnis, Senior GM with us. Atul ji is not here. Please give a big hand to Sanjeev Fadnis as well. The team is all over here. I remember visiting Charitra ji at Jalgaon, where I saw the whole facility. It is a must-see. If anybody gets a chance, take opportunity and go and have a look at their 1,000 acres, 1,100 acres of farming. It can throw, and they are also making energy from biomass. This is a very, very, very integrated company indeed, I tell you. Jain Saab, Fadnis Saab, something for the audience. They would like to hear you.
Thank you very much for this award. Jain Irrigation has been doing pioneering work in solar thermal as well as solar photovoltaic, and we have just completed 20 years in this solar mission, and we'll continue to do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And this is the last award for the day, but last but not the least, my friends, as we go on building things, we also have to take care of our youth. We need youth participation in solar, and luckily we have a very good project in our hand. REPA instituted this project. The project was done under Saurya Urja, and this award is the Saurya Urja Student Project Award Institutional. And the winner is Mr. Raghav Vij. His parents are also here. I want Raghav Vij and also his parents to come over, because Manoj ji, please come over. And I think anybody else from the family must also join. This must not because I tell you, this Indian culture, it's the family that brings things up. And this kid, if he has done a good job with us, it's only because he got encouragement from you guys. Please give a big hand to Raghav. His research project is solar and hybrid renewable energy potential for telecom towers in India. And it is the first such assessment really done on how much diesel can be saved. We are fine-tuning this report and sending to MNRE. Please give a big hand to Raghav. And Raghav, which is a student of the JP Institute of Information Technology. Again, I think JP must also have a feather in this cap. JP has been a company which we admire. Jaiprakash Godji was one of the Lifetime Achievement Awards at Energia Award and the only private sector man who has received the Energia Award for Lifetime Achievement. Otherwise, it has been the PSU people. So, JP, another good day for them today that a young man from the JP, I would say stable, has come and he succeeded. Congratulations, and maybe have a few words. I think we want to hear this young man, even if it's for 2 minutes. I think we must hear you.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Raghav from JP Noida. First of all, I must thank Professor Iyer for having given me this opportunity to work with him in this internship program that I did in June, July. This has been an honor. The conversations that I've had with him have been a privilege. I don't believe that I'm worthy of this honor, but still I'm really thankful to you and the REPA team for recognizing my efforts. I tried to give a good effort from me, and I'm really happy that you have recognized those efforts. And one more thing, all this is possible because of the values that my parents have given me. My father is here, my sister is here. I'm really honored to receive this award in front of them. This is my first such award. Really honored. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I'm very sure that you'll go forward and do much more work and sincere work, because I know how much we hammered you to come to a level, So I think, that's what you guys have to learn, You cannot get the easy way. We must be the best in the world. So I hope you will do that, in your life, and you'll go the tough path.
Really honored, sir.
Congratulations, my friend.
Productions.